Alright guys, she's blasting time today. This bad unit is capable of 1500 CFM. That's what it's set for right now anyways. So turn her on and get started. That's your pot, that's what holds your sand, hose, purifier. Got her set up on some stands with my spaceman helmet. And there you go guys. Nice, fresh, clean sandblasted frame. Alright. Got the frame underneath it. Kind of doing some mock up here. Don't worry about the rust on the fresh blast. It'll probably get blasted 3 more times before I'm done. Still got to cut all these little plates and box the frame and everything, so it's starting to look like something though. Won't be too long now and she'll be rolling. Put the engine in it and stuff.